lying here with you so close to me. It's hard to fight these feelings when it feels so hard to breathe. I'm caught up in this moment, I'm caught up in your smile.
I've never opened up to anyone, so hard to hold back when I'm holding you in my arms. But we don't need to rush this, let's just take it slow. Just a kiss on your lips in the moonlight, just a touch of the fire burning so bright. No, I don't wanna mess this thing up, no, I don't wanna push too far. Just a shot in the dark that you just might be the one I've been waiting for my whole life. So baby, I'm alright with just a kiss goodnight. I know that if we give this a little time, it'll only bring us closer to the love we wanna find. It's never felt so real, no, it's never felt so right. Just a kiss on your lips in the moonlight, just a touch of the fire burning so bright. No, I don't wanna mess this thing up, I don't wanna push too far. Just a shot in the dark that you just might be the one I've been waiting for my whole life. So baby, I'm alright with just a kiss goodnight. No, I don't wanna say goodnight. I know it's time to leave, but you'll be in my dreams tonight. Tonight. Just a kiss on your lips in the moonlight, just a touch of the fire burning so bright. No, I don't wanna mess this thing up, I don't wanna push too far. Just a shot in the dark that you just might be the one I've been waiting for my whole life. So baby, I'm alright. Oh, let's do this right. Just a kiss goodnight. With a kiss
At sinabi ng Panginoon Diyos, hindi mabuti na ang lalaki ay mag-isa. Siya ay ilalalangko ng isang katulong niya. At ang tadyang na kinuha ng Panginoon Diyos sa lalaki ay ginawang isang babae, at ito'y dinala niya sa lalaki. Ito ngang buto ng aking buto at laman ng aking laman. Siya'y tatawaging babae sapagkat sa lalaki siya kinuha. Pakibasbasan mo po ang kanilang pag-iisang dibdib. Nawa, ang dalawang nagmamahalang ito ay pakitulungan mo po sa kanilang mga pangarap, magkaroon ng maunlad na kabuhayan at maligayang pamilya. Ngayon po, O Amang Diyos, ay bubukod na sila sa kanilang mga magulang. Tatalikuran na nila ang buhay binata at dalaga. Buhay may asawa na ang kanilang lalandasin upang bumuo ng sarili nilang sangbahayan.
Although we ignored each other completely in high school, today I am marrying you, my high school sweetheart. Carla, I intend to stay married to you through thick and thin, through sweet and sour, through bland and spicy. I promise to keep you cold, to keep you warm when it's cold, and to stand in the way of the sun when it's hot. I promise to make you laugh and to listen when you sing. I promise to keep chicharon in stock for you always. So, let's get old, fat, and healthy and always in love together.
Keeping heart, always I'll now be treasuring everywhere. And if life should come to just one question, do I hold each moment true? No trace of sadness, always with gladness. I do.
Makatwid, ang kasal ay isang makabuluhang yugto ng pag-aasawa ng dalawang nagmamahalang nilalang ng Diyos.
I used to rule the world, seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone, sweep the streets I used to own. listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field.
La Pota Tarachi Matol Lina Labadi Hochi La Nocha.
And though I make mistakes, I'll never break your heart.
On the way, like a rally,
And I swear, like the shadow that's by your side, I'll be there.
On the way, like a penny behind his wall. Now quarrel.
For better or worse, till death do us part.
I love you with every beat of my heart, and I swear
I love you.
with all my heart, I do.
Nag-grant na yung wish mo. Beach wedding, even if it's not in Bali. Tapos, and na sana si Nico na ngayon. And dyan nakakatayo mo na si Nico. And to celebrate it with your closest friends and relatives. So, ang wish ko lang is, sana, huwag kayong magsawa na mahalin yung isa't isa. And alagaan yung bawat isa.
On an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
What I wanted to say was that I was born witness to all of the positive.
You're a carousel.
Positive, lots of hair. No, but I've seen Nico grow up, and I see he's very gentle. And Carla, who's very kind, very patient. Even if he's a bit cranky with me, and I know that you know, say with loves it, Doggy, but he's a very protective father. So, kung maging not good enough to, I know you're not proud of me. With that in mind, I would like everybody to raise their glasses. So,
your every line, your every word, your everything. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything, your every song, and I sing along. 'Cause you're my everything. Yeah, yeah. So la 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 la. So la 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 la.
But me, your Tita Ixie will tell you that you have your life ahead of you. A wonderful life ahead of you. Nobody can tell you what you cannot do and what you can do. Their world is at your fingertips. And enjoy your life as much as you can and live as if there's no tomorrow. I love you too very much.
So Carla, welcome to the Makua family. We will have lots of crab eating time yet. Okay, and the two of you, take care of each other and have lots and lots of fun together. And that's the best way to keep a marriage going strong. Okay, now it's your turn.
For a while there, I thought she was going to say that she brought up her children with reverse psychology. And I go, oh my God, that's going to be some speech. But I'm not going to do that. I'm only going to give the two of you some inspiration that from now on you have to start building your relationship, and there is nothing that should get in the way, and there's nothing that you should never give up on your relationship. And Gina and I have been together for, I I don't know how many years. It seems like yesterday, and I hope it's the same with you.
33.
Oh, 33 years. I hope it's the same with you, and that's it. This is a journey you will never forget.
Pag-isipan ko, iba na pala yung relasyon ngayon. So, nag-move in si Carla kay Nico, iyak pa rin ako ng iyak on that night. And then, na-realize ko siguro malalaki na sila. Tama lang. Then, nakita ko naman, gumagawa sila ng sarili ng landasin. So now, medyo okay na ako kay Nico. Actually, nag-acting na nga kami. Pero nung una, ayoko. Hindi ko kailangan ng gwapo. Ang kailangan ko, responsible man. Like me. Okay? So, yun lang. Sabi ko, mahalin mo yan ako. Huwag kang loloko-loko. Huwag mo akong gagayahin. And also, Carla, okay naman yan. Maglambing. Pero okay lang yan. Nandito lang sa tabi niyo. Okay namin.
Bigkisin niyo ang inyong pagsasama. Never give up. Never give up, Nico. You love Carla. And you also, Carla. Na maging mabait ka anak na maging nice. I'm proud sa inyong dalawa. Pagutihin niyo ang inyong buhay at gumawa kayo ng maraming dalawang anak. Thank you very much. Pagutihin niyo lang ang buhay.
Yes, thank you for coming, and I hope to have many long, fat, and healthy years with Carla.
Yes, once again, thank you for coming. We're very sorry about the weather. We weren't supposed to. Yeah, I know. But I hope you enjoy the dancing and the singing and everything, the food. We love you so much. Thank you very much. And we'll see you soon, guys. Thank you. We love you.
Makahagod ka naman gano'n, parang gusto mo may wala yung balat.
Shining above the city